Everyone, today's topic is the nervous system. The neurons or nervous cell is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. The nervous system is basically classified into two types. One is central nervous system and second one is peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system also classified into types brain and spinal cord. And peripheral nervous system is also classified autonomous nervous system and voluntary automatic nervous system. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Brain is the brain. Uh, the nerve, the impulses transfer. The impulses generated in our body and transfer through the nervous cells to all the activities. The neurons, the nervous cell, there are 12 cranial nerves present in the brain and 31 pairs of spinal nerves present in the spinal cord. The nerves are of three types. Nerve cells are of three types. First one is sensory neurons. Second one is mixed neurons. Third one is motor neurons. Sensory neurons is responsible for the transmission of impulses from body parts to the CNS, or motor neurons are responsible for the transmission of signals from brain to the mm, brain brain to the specific site for the quick action, and mixed neurons is responsible for the both the activities, that is sensory neurons as well as motor neurons. As there are total 12 pairs of cranial nerves present in the body. Spinal nerves are of 31 pairs, in which 8 pairs are the cervical, 12 pairs of the thoracic, 5 pairs of the lumbar, or 5 pairs of the sacral, and 1 pair of coccyx. Uh, the brain consists of hypothalamus, thalamus, medulla oblongata, that is the encephalon, cerebrum, cerebellum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, or the cerebellum is the smallest part of the brain. Uh, the the brainstem, the brainstem goes from the brain and forms the spinal cord. Mm, The outer part of the cerebrum is called as cerebrum cortex, and inner part of this is called as cerebrum as, cerebrum medulla, or the there are four types of lobe is present: parietal lobe, frontal lobe, occipital lobe, or temporal lobe. Next one is central nervous system is an involuntary in control, but peripheral nervous system also consists of sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system also called as adrenergic nervous system, or parasympathetic nervous system also called as cholinergic system, because sympathetic nervous system sick, in sympathetic nervous system, adrenaline and noradrenaline neurotransmitters are present, but in a cholinergic system, acetylcholine is an uh, neurotransmitter is present. Uh, Adrenaline and noradrenaline helps in adrenaline it helps in the emergency conditions. The deficiency of acetylcholine is called as due to deficiency of acetylcholine, the Alzheimer disease is occur, and when the patient is on the emergency of heart attack, then the adrenaline is gives to the patient, and so adrenaline is called as emergency neurotransmitter. uh, spinal cord gives stability, or cerebellum also gives the stability. The occipital lobe helps in the vision. Parietal, temporal, occipital. These all the lobes are helps in auditorium, vision, smell, taste, or equilibrium. Or cerebellum also helps in the equilibrium of the body or maintain stability or movement of the body. Uh, when adrenaline all the various diseases occur the hydrophilic drugs does not cross the blood-brain barriers. So the lipophilic drug, that is levodopa, comes into the blood-brain, comes from crosses the blood-brain barrier, and this levodopa converted into dopamine, and the Parkinson's disease is cured by dopamine. The Parkinson's, Alzheimer, or brain tumor are the diseases of CNS. Uh, Hypothalamus is the master gland which controls the pituitary gland. So the hypothalamus is also called as master of master gland. Thalamus is a response also helps in the regulate the homeostasis of the body. Thank you.